sleeping under the tree. And mouse came running, and started jumping. Jump, 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 jump. And lion wake up and roar, roar. Got his hand.
And the lion said,
No.
I will
Eat you. I will eat you. Mouse say no, 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 no.
please.
Don't eat me. I will someday help you. I will help you someday. And lion free and hunted net, and mouse came running. Can cut, and lion net and free.
Both become
Bought down friends. Thank you everyone.